Another fine vehicle offered by Classic Chevrolet.
This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Strong, durable, and dependable. Among the many superb features on this Chevrolet there are power windows, a dual-zone climate control system, XM satellite radio, a rear parking aid, side curtain airbags, and this vehicle has just over 32,000 miles. The steadfast 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, is forceful and direct. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Classic Chevrolet is located at 2501 William D Tate in Grapevine. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.